Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your Chinese teacher, Kelly. Have you ever wanted a Chinese name but didn't know how to choose one? Maybe you're learning Chinese, planning to visit China, or just curious about how name works in Chinese culture. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to choose a Chinese name that sounds natural and fit you perfectly. In Chinese, names are made of two parts, the surname and the given name. The surname comes first in Chinese, and most Chinese surnames are one character long. The given name comes after the surname and usually consists of one or two characters. For example, in the name Wang Wei, Wang is the surname, Wei is the given name. There are a few options to choose your Chinese name. Let's explore the options. One simple way is translate your English name directly into Chinese. Some English names have standard Chinese translations, so you can use them. For example, Lily, we can translate into Li Li. Jack, we can translate into 杰克. Anna, we can translate into Anna. If you choose this method, you don't need to worry about the surname because your Chinese name will just be your given name. If you prefer to have a more traditional Chinese name, you can pick a surname. Chinese surnames are passed down from family, so it's not mandatory to use one. If you just want to focus on a first name, you can totally skip the surname. So let me help you to choose your first name. One way is to pick a Chinese character that match the meaning of your English name. For example, Grace, Ya, Leo, Li, Hope, Xi. You can also choose a name that represents something meaningful to you, like nature, personality traits, or cultural significance. If you choose a surname, one character long given name or two character long given name, be sure to consider how well they combine. For example, Zhang Xi sounds natural. It is important to think about how the meaning and the sounds of the surname and the given name fit together. If you want a truly sounding Chinese name, you can choose from common Chinese given names.
Wang, Li, Zhang, Liu, Chen, Yang, Zhao, Huang, Zhou, Wu, Xu, Sun, Hu, Zhu, Gao, Lin, He, Guo, Ma, Luo. For male, Yu, Xuan, 泽、俊、林、浩、俊、涛、燕、毅。For female, 月、韩、诗、一、静、杰、锦、婷、希、若。
If you decide not to choose the surname, it's best to choose the two-character long given name to maintain the balanced and natural sound. For example, the given name Li Ting. It's a good idea to ask a native Chinese speaker for their opinion on your chosen name to ensure that it sounds natural and appropriate. Now you know how to choose your Chinese name. Let me know in the comments of the name you chose or if you need help finding one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chinese language tips. I will see you in my next video. Bye!